Because next up is soft and kind versus dramatics performance. Alright, DJ, we're ready. Oh shit. Okay, we're gonna start from sexy. Let's go. Oh yes. What? Ah. What? Yes. What? Drama. Across the board. Anybody else? Ooh, the soft and coin. Something coin. Ooh, so coin. Something coin. So familiar. Listen to that coin. Something coin. Something coin. Something coin. Ten across. Something coin. Across the board, bitch. Stay to the side. Yes. Meow, pussy. Meow, coins. Meow, pussy. Coins. Meow, pussy. Meow, coins. Meow, pussy. That's all. Coins. Bitch, let my pussy. So nice. Sexy. Something coin. What? Something coin. Judges, do you see it? Soft and pussy, coin, Judges who score, dance across the board, stay to the side. Anybody else walk in? 10, 9. Across the board. Stay to the side, madam. Anybody? Ooh, shit. So soft, so feminine, so pussy, so fine, so soft, so feminine. Hey, so soft, so feminine. I want feminine pussy, want feminine, so feminine. I want feminine pussy, want so soft, feminine. I want bitch. Dance across the board, stay to the side. Ooh, ah. Dance across the board, stay to the side. Anybody else? Ooh, yeah. Ooh, what you feeling like? What, bitch, what you feeling like? What you feeling, what you feeling, what you feeling like? What, bitch, what you feeling like? What you feeling till I come to the feeling like? What, bitch, what you heard? What, bitch, to the arm? What, bitch, what you heard? What, bitch, to the arm? Now, what, bitch, what you feeling like? When it's up, you come to the feeling like? Now, what, bitch, what you feeling like? Say something, come, what you feeling like? Now, what you feeling like? 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 Say come, what you feeling like? Dance across the board. Across the board. Stay to the side, I mean, huh? Anybody else? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Category is closed. Wow. Can I get my softing clients staying right here so I can see you? I see 1 softing client, 2 softing client, 3, 4. Okay. Are we doing softing client first or self-dramatic? Softing client first. Okay. You and you. Let's go. First battle. Everybody make some noise. Something climbs. This is something climbs. This is something climbs. My pussy, something climbs. My pussy, so feminine, I'm climbing. My pussy, my pussy, to the gone. My one for the pussy, now two for the cons, now three for the pussy. Something hold that pose for me. Now you gotta give me one Miss City, 2 Miss City, you stay, but give the back a round of applause. The next two. Something gone. Hold that pose for me, What, bitch? Come in, love. 1 KK, 2 KK stays. But give Amina a round of applause. Alright, is that a final? Okay. Let's do it like this. Baby, breathe. Dramatics, you're now. You're the only one? 2, 3. You and you. Let's go. Are you ready for the drama? Are you ready for the drama? Are you ready for the Are you ready for the drama? Let's go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for the drama? Ready for the drama? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for the drama? Yes. it like this. KK, Miss Minnie, we give KK some time, so soft and kind, let's go. Break the tie. KK saves. But give Miss Minnie a round of applause. Oh shit. Wait, it's Tutti versus Tutti. KK, you will have to battle both of them. So breathe in, breathe out. Alright, give KK a round of applause for the soft ink points. If someone doesn't understand what's going on, for the dramatic, we have two people from the same house and they cannot battle each other. So that's why KK is going to battle each one of them. Alright? Is that clear? Good. DJ, pump the beats. One something punch, two something punch stays, but give drama a round of applause. Okay, shit. KK, drink some water, please. Shit. What's next? Okay, after this category, we're going to have vote against the music, and last two categories, body and sex siren. Okay, so you better get ready. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Ooh, let me get into the chant. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe in, breathe out, 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 do your small and quiet. Hold that pose for me, bitch. Alright, Naya, 1KK, grand prize, KK 007. But give Slick Lick a round of applause. Grand prize, baby.